Okay, we're gonna start the pump up. We've let the tractor run for about 5 minutes and warm up. A couple other things to check again. After you've run your pump for a little while, it can vibrate and move a little bit. So before you get started, you wanna make sure your pump hasn't fallen off the blocks at all. It's still there. And again, make sure your PTO and tractor are nice and level. If you need to, sometimes you have to put some gravel underneath the tires to get PTO to run level so you don't wear your U-joints out. All right, Zach's gonna start the PTO. After he starts the PTO, he's gonna run over and open the main valve so that water can begin to flow down the pipe. Go ahead. All right, PTO's been turned on. He's gonna open this valve. As he does this arm right here is gonna raise. That's a really good indication that you're pumping water. If you're not pumping water, that arm will not raise up at all. It'll stay shut. That means your pump is cavitating and you need to shut everything down and reprime your pump. So after we start it, the valve's been opened up all the way. Again, our blue valve is shut. If you don't shut that, you'll put water pressure, a lot of pressure on the bladder inside here, which can damage this bladder. So that valve is shut. Our arm is up, we're pumping water. We've got a heavier drip here. That's also an indication that you're pumping water. Our valve is open. We let the tractor run for about another 2 or 3 minutes as it warms up. And we'll end up running this tractor at about 300 RPM. That'll be in the 4th video. When you start this pump up, it shouldn't be making any rattling sounds. It's real nice and quiet. You should be able to talk at a normal voice to hear each other. The shaft shouldn't be banging around. Bearings should be quiet. And right now we have 0 PSI. We're still pumping water. We just have 0 PSI. This pump is more specifically built for volume rather than pressure. So we're not going to build a lot of pressure, but we will move a lot of volume of water. That's it for this video. The next video will show pressures and the pump as it's running at full speed.